In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort subtasks in ClickUp. If you're working inside ClickUp and want to organize the subtasks under a parent task more clearly, this is a quick feature that can save you time and make your task view much easier to manage. Sorting subtasks is especially useful when you want to review work by priority, due date, or another order without manually dragging everything around. To begin, start from your home workspace and navigate to the parent task where you want to sort the subtasks. The parent task is the main task that contains the smaller subtasks underneath it, so make sure you're opening the correct item before making any changes. Once you've found it, open the parent task to bring up the full task details. Inside this task view, you'll be able to see the list of subtasks associated with it. This is where the sorting options are available. Above the subtasks list, look for the manual sort menu and click on it. This menu controls how your subtasks are arranged. By default, you may be seeing a manual order, which means the subtasks can be placed in a custom sequence. But if you want ClickUp to organize them for you automatically, this is the menu you'll use. After opening the sort menu, choose the option you want to reorder the subtasks. Depending on what's available in your workspace, you may see sorting options such as due date, which helps place subtasks in time order, priority, which is useful for seeing the most important items first, name, which arranges them alphabetically, or status, which groups subtasks based on where they are in the workflow. Each option gives you a different way to view the same work, so the best choice depends on how you prefer to manage your tasks. As soon as you select the sorting option, the changes will reflect on the list immediately. You won't need to refresh the page or save anything manually. This instant update makes it easy to try different sorting methods and quickly settle on the one that works best for your current workflow. And that's it. That's how to sort subtasks in ClickUp. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference when you're managing multiple moving parts inside a task. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.